Understanding, Playing the Victim, a guide to English phrases. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of English phrases, focusing on playing the victim. This expression is widely used in both everyday conversations and professional contexts. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it accurately in your communication. Let's get started. Playing the victim refers to the behavior of someone who pretends or exaggerates their suffering to gain sympathy, avoid responsibility, or manipulate others. It's a strategy where an individual portrays themselves as a victim of circumstances, actions, or the behavior of others, even when this is not entirely true or exaggerated. The key here is the intent behind the behavior, seeking attention, sympathy, or to deflect blame. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. In a workplace scenario, an employee might play the victim by blaming colleagues for their own mistakes, suggesting they're being unfairly targeted. In personal relationships, someone might exaggerate how others' actions have hurt them, aiming to gain sympathy or manipulate the situation in their favor. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various contexts, highlighting the manipulation of facts or situations to serve one's own interests. Recognizing when someone is playing the victim involves observing their behavior and the consistency of their stories. Key signs include consistently blaming others for their own problems or failures, seeking excessive sympathy for their situation, manipulating facts to appear as the aggrieved party. Understanding these signs will help you navigate conversations and relationships more effectively, distinguishing genuine grievances from manipulative tactics. When faced with someone playing the victim, it's important to respond constructively. This involves encouraging accountability by gently pointing out facts and inconsistencies, offering support to address the real issues, if any, setting boundaries to avoid being manipulated. Responding in this manner fosters a healthier dynamic in any relationship or interaction. Playing the victim is a complex behavior rooted in seeking undue sympathy or avoiding responsibility. Recognizing and responding to it constructively can enhance our communication skills and interpersonal relationships. We hope this video has shed light on this phrase and its implications. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Stay tuned.